Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Roblox Error Code 277 network issue. So while playing Roblox and you encounter this error message, Roblox Error Code 277 network issue, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is close your Roblox application and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. So if restarting doesn't help you fix the issue, then you need to move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. Best match command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just simply type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. So it will state successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. Just type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. For the next method is you need to make a right click at the start button, select run. The run window will appear. Type here ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Then the network connections window will appear. So you just have to look for the connection that you are connected to. Make a right click and then select properties. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Then look for the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. Then this window will appear. Now you have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. Then for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. We are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. For the alternate, type here 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then close this windows. Then for the next method is you can also try switching to other network. So if you have multiple or more Wi-Fi networks on your place or at home, then you can just simply switch to a Wi-Fi network that will work for you. Or you can also choose mobile data. So just try switching to other network at your home or at your place and then see if that works. Then you can also update our Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click what it suggests right here, like check for updates or download and install updates. So once you have updated your Windows, close this. Now if the issue keeps on persisting, then we can uninstall the application. So search for Settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then type here Roblox. Then you will find this Roblox player. So click on this three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. The same thing for the Roblox. Now once done, once you have uninstalled the application, just simply open your favorite browser like Chrome, Firefox, or the Microsoft Edge. So let's go with Chrome. Click on it. Then type in the search bar, Roblox download. Hit enter. Then you'll find this from www.roblox.com. Download Roblox. Click on that. Then you'll find this button, Download for Windows app. Click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Just double click. And then you have to close the browser. And this will install the Roblox again into your Windows. So let's just wait for this. So once Roblox has been reinstalled into your Windows, then you can just simply click on sign in and continue playing and enjoying the Roblox game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.